Let's melt the butter first. Saute some finely crushed garlic, but make sure it doesn't brown. Few seconds and we are good to proceed. We will just saute the onions until translucent. These are mixed veggies like broccoli, potato, peas, carrots and green beans, but you can also add cauliflower and celery if you like. Just cut them bite-sized for quicker cooking. We will just mix them and add the seasonings. Salt will sweat them and allow to release moisture. I'm adding just a few ingredients for not to overpower the base flavors. Adjust the seasoning as per your taste. Now just mix and we will allow this to cool to room temperature. I have greased the baking dish and we will arrange the veggies in an even layer. I'm using half and half, but heavy cream is good to use too. Mix in the cornstarch and we will stir it until it dissolves completely and is lump free. Here I have a blend of mozzarella and mild cheddar cheese. They go so well together in this dish. I'll add this to the cream mixture. Use as much or as less as you like and there is no wrong way to do this. We will just make sure it mixes with the cream. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for such yummy recipes to be posted in the future. Pour this evenly over the veggies. I'm just pushing the cheese in between the veggies to bind well while cooking. We will cover this with a foil and bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes. Be careful while opening as it's very hot and the steam will burn your hands. Wow, looks great already, and we will check if the potatoes are cooked. Nice. Now we will just sprinkle some more cheese on top and bake uncovered for 10 minutes for the cheese to bubble. Wow, look how awesome this looks. The cheese is still bubbling, so we will wait for it to settle before cutting. Cut into desired portions and serve. This is a very tasty dish and you can serve it as a side or a snack. Thanks for watching.